doing now is a joint venture that we created 2 years ago. We created this joint venture from Do It Systems from Italy, HPC Now from Spain, and UCit from France, because we had a strong demand all across Europe, and we would like to have a local presence in different countries in Europe to afford this big demand that we have. We like to say that we are an HPC integrator, which is kind of a system integrator with an added value on top of it. This added value is that we have very strong knowledge on several verticals, mainly 3 of them. We have very strong knowledge on manufacturing HPC solutions, where we have very important customers in the automotive, aeronautical, and energy sectors. We also have very strong knowledge in the life science vertical, where we help pharma companies, biotech, and genomics. And finally, oil and gas, where we have customers in the petrol sector. Okay, then, transversally to all those verticals, we help a lot, and we have a lot of customers, of course, from universities and research centers. We came here to present, first of all, one of the Euro HPC projects that we are part of. This project is called Heroes, and we developed there a multi-cloud orchestrator to help customers. Because in this project we like to anticipate the future needs of our customers. This is something that we enjoy doing it, and we think we gain a competitive advantage for the market. And during the last years, we have been positioned ourselves, I think, very well in the market in terms of hybrid solutions in the cloud. Okay, and at this stage, it's very important the way we orchestrate and we decide where to send jobs, and Heroes is part of it. And of course, we want to develop further projects, and we are here to participate in the community and find new partners for future projects.